Hey traders, John Howell here. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you a bit of a market update on the indices and show you what's happening right now. Guys, danger in the markets right now. I'll get to that in a minute. Guys, before I start this video, don't place a trade based on this video. I'm just sharing with you what I see right now, what's happening right now. There's a probability of what's going to happen tomorrow, but I have no idea what's going to happen tomorrow. So just make sure you're taking care of yourself, make sure you look after yourself, and make sure that you are just make sure that you know, don't place a trade based on this video, okay? Also, before I start, I'm running a free marketing test where I'm giving away all my free education and free coaching my coaching for free. So if you want to test that out and see if it's right for you, then first link in the description, you can check that out. Now, let's get straight into the market update. Market update time. Market update. What's happened with the Dow Jones, guys? I talked to you guys about this. If you watched my market update a few days ago, I talked to you guys about if the market starts to roll over, then you should not be long in this market. And so right now, guys, right now as I speak, if you are long in the market, danger. The market is getting very weak. Look at this bar, look at this down bar today. Look at that big down bar today. It's getting very weak, guys, and it's just not looking nice at all. As you can see, if I bring this up, let me take everything off the screen here, and you can see what's happened here right now. Danger. So you can see here that we did make a lower high, and now we had this lower low. We had this big red down bar closing low. Plus also, if you have a look at the volume on the Dow Jones, we're starting to we've got a nice volume here as well too. Guys, this is not looking pretty. Weakness in the markets. Danger in the markets right now. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. If we are going to go through a stock market crash, this is the formations that we're likely to see. Same with the S&P 500. I'm not saying we're going to get a crash, guys, but it's danger. This is the time now, guys, not to muck around. I am putting this video out right now. I did a video a couple of days ago telling you what to look for. Guys, it's happening right now. Danger. If you are long and you have a lot of money in the markets right now and you've been holding for quite some time, now is the time to get out and put it on the sidelines. I may be wrong, but then again, guys, the charts are telling me we're getting lots of weakness. Right now is the time to get out. Lower high, failing to break above this here. This here was a false breakout here. A false breakout, running down, running back up, and now we're running back down. Guys, this is not looking good. And we've got this big red down bar as well too, guys. It's rolling over. Few small bars followed by a breakdown bar. Guys, it's looking really weak. I talked to you guys about this potentially happening a couple of days ago. And if it does happen, then you want to be moving on the downside. Same with the Nasdaq as well too. You can see what's happened here. This is, guys, I can't stress enough. Over my 13 years of experience, this here is a false breakout. This here is now forming a top. Not only that, but we ran up, made a few small bars, and now we had this big red down bar here today. Guys, danger in the markets. And I'm doing this right now, guys. If you are long, if you are bullish, any of the indices right now, so even some stocks, they're likely to be dragged down with it. Now, I'm very thankful that I'm out of my bullish stocks. And I'm actually in a bearish trade right now as well too. I'm going with the momentum. Now, I'm not just bearish on a stock because of that, but you can see here that overall, guys, this is a big warning sign to every single one that's trading the markets now, guys, okay? Look at this VIX here as well too, right? Look at this VIX. This VIX now is just running, completely gone insane. I did buy it down. I actually put the VIX down here and I got out up here, broke even, and then the market took off on me. That's okay. Anyway, look at this VIX here, guys. I want to share with you something that's really interesting with the VIX. And now, whether this is a coincidence or not, I don't know. Look at this here. Resistance, and it kept bouncing off this resistance line, right? What's happening in the last few weeks? Something's changing with the VIX. The market's changing. We're starting to top out in the markets. This VIX is changing as well too, guys. We're all starting to change here as well. Looking at the this is the IWM, which is obviously the Russell there. You can see how this here has been topping out as well too. And let me go to that weekly chart, and you can see how we're just starting to top out. And you can see here on this weekly chart, what do we see? We see how this, once again, what did this make? It made a false breakout, which was the top, and now we're dropping down, guys. Danger in the markets. We're now doing what, guys? We're now broken past those levels through there as well. And look, you see resistance, and now we're breaking back down. Guys, This is the thing that I was telling you guys to be careful of, and this is the thing I was saying to you guys a few weeks ago, and now you can see what's happening right now, okay? You can see, once again, guys, you can see how this market was. That was the resistance. It broke back up. Once again, what do we see here? And again, guys, it's just the market is telling you what's going on. Running up, sideways, going back down, boom, up, down, and big sell-off in the markets today. Big sell-off. That's obviously the QQQ there. Let's go through here. Let's go. Yeah, just a big sell-off. Big sell-off, guys. The market is looking really weak. And there's the IWM. It goes, all right. So anyway, guys, as I said before, big sell-off. Big sell-off in the markets today. Do not be placing trade, guys. If you are long right now, guys, you need to get out. If I am wrong, then I'm wrong. But at least, guys, you protect yourself. This is the wrong time to be long in the market. If you go back in any time in history, then the market simply says, whenever we have a crash, firstly, this is what actually happens on the chart. And secondly, we're getting into the crash season right now. I'm not saying we're going to go through a stock market crash, but we are getting ready, guys, for something. Something's lurking in the market. This is the first time we've actually had the most weakest in the markets. Selling, bars, haven't got that, guys. So anyway, guys, big selling in the markets. Danger, guys. This is an alert and a warning. Again, I may be wrong, but right now, guys, everything is looking really weak. And that Ray Dalio, that smart guy Ray Dalio, he actually put out a post a while ago saying danger. You know, this is what's happening right now. And guess what? The market's starting to sell off here. So guys, my recommendation is not to be long stocks right now at all. I'm not saying get short stocks. I'm just saying don't be long stocks right now.